Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this week, I let you know that Microsoft had pulled the latest optional bug fix C-release update that had rolled out for Windows 11, 25, and 24H2, which was this update, KB5079391. And Microsoft said it had paused the rollout of the update because users began encountering installation issues with an installation error. Now, just to let you know, and as you can see just above that, Microsoft overnight in my region has rolled out an out-of-band, also known as an emergency update, which is KB5086672, to replace this update and address the issues that were caused by the optional update that rolled out late last month. And as you can see, once the update has been applied, if you're running 25H2, the OS build is now bumped up to 26,200.8117. And if you're on 24H2, that will be 26,100.8117. Now, Microsoft says that this out-of-band update includes all the improvements, so that would be the new features, the improvements, the bug fixes, and so on, that were part of this update, which was pulled. And I posted a whole big video on this update because it included new features, it fixes a known issue, it had bug fixes and improvements, quite a lot was going on. And I'll leave that video linked if you'd like more information. So it's replacing, so it will include all of those improvements and features which are now bundled into this update. Now, over and above including the features and improvements and fixes from 5079391, Microsoft says it includes obviously the fix for the issue. And Microsoft says while installing the March 2026 Windows Preview Update 5079391, some devices running Windows 11, 25, and 24H2 might encounter the following error. Some update files are missing or have problems. We'll try to download the update again later. Error code 0x800737112. So that's the issue that's been addressed with this out-of-band update. Now, something to take note of, which is quite important. Microsoft says that this out-of-band update is offered through Windows Update for devices running Windows 11 that have already installed this update, KB5079473, which is the Patch Tuesday update for March 2026, which rolled out on the 10th, 11th of March, depending on your region, or a later update. And over and above being made available through Windows Update, this update is also available through the Microsoft Update Catalog if you want to go download it and install it manually. So nice to see that the out-of-band update has been rolled out now to address issues with this update. So just posting this quick video just to keep us all on the same page. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.